is the finished look of the eyebrow, and I hope you love it. Like the eyebrow, this is the finishing. In case you love the eyebrow, please don't hesitate to share out this video to your queen, tell a sister, tell a queen. Okay guys, this is the finishing of the eyebrow, and I hope you love the eyebrow. In case you love it, please don't forget to share with any of your queen. Please share to a sister, share to a friend, share to your neighbor. As far as it's a woman, even if it's a man, please share to your WhatsApp status, what Facebook. We want to grow. Share your sisters out. Okay, thank you for watching. Share out so that your sister will grow, please. And then please. So that is it guys, this is the finishing of the eyebrow. In case you love this party December Christmas, you know, eyebrow, just go for it. And for the look, click on the link below. The look is on down of this description, the video description box. Okay, I will leave the link of this makeup down of the description box. Okay, don't hesitate to click on it so that you can glow. And that is it. I was inspired by my godmother, the Goldfish TV. She sent it to me and I did it. So this is it. Okay, so guys, in case you love the eyebrow, share to a queen. As you are sharing to a queen, may God in heaven bless you for your thumbs up, for liking the video. May God in heaven bless you, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being my family. I love and appreciate every one of you. Bye bye.